Now let's solve this problem here. We're given 27 to the power 1 over n equals 3. Based on the law of exponents, we can omit the bases from both expressions on the left and right if they are the same. And then we can just equate the powers or the exponents. So in this case, our bases are not equal. So on the left, we have 27 as our base. And then on the right, we have 3 as our base. So in this case, 27 is divisible by 3. So we can just simply write 27 as, say, 3 cubed. 3 cubed is just equal to 27 to the power of n equals 3. Now they have the same basis. So we have 3 here as our base on the left, and then 3 on the right to the power of 1. So let's just simplify this expression here by using the power rule. That would be 3 to the power 3 over n, because you can just multiply the exponents here. 3 times 1 over n is equal to 3. So the exponent of 3 here is 1, understandably. So we can just simply equate the exponents here, because they have now the same basis. So that would be 3 over n equals 1. And then we can just multiply n to both sides. So we have 3 equals n. So n here is equal to 3. Okay, let's try another problem here. So we're given this problem here. We just need to simplify this. Okay. So in this case, there is a fair amount of simplification that could be done inside the parentheses. So we have to do it first. We have to simplify the expression inside the parentheses before dealing with the exponent on the parentheses, which is raised to the power of -4. So in this case, the y to the -1 from the law of exponents, this can be written as 1 over y, or x to the -3. This can be written as x to the power 3, and then x to the -8 can be written as 1 over x to the 8. So we can write this as z squared times 1 over y times 1 over x cubed over 1 over x to the 8, z to the 6th, y to the 4th, to the -4. Okay, and then we can simplify further. So we can write this as z squared, then x to the 8 over y x cubed, z to the 6th, y to the 4th, okay, to the -4. Then we simplify further. So y here will be, okay, we have x to the 8 z squared. Our y here, we have y to the 1 and y to the 4th. We just have to add the exponents. So we have x cubed, y to the 5th, and z to the 6th to the power -4. Okay, and we can eliminate some exponents in division based on the law of exponents. when we divide terms with the same basis, we just subtract the exponents. So x and x here, they are like terms, they have the same basis, so we just have to subtract the exponents. So there'll be 8 minus 3 for the exponent of x, so that will be 5. Okay, and z to the 4th, y to the 5th to the power of negative 4. And then this entire expression can be written as 1 over x to the 5th, z to the 4th, y to the 5th to the power of 4. Then we can flip it. Okay, we can flip this expression here. So we can write that as z to the 4th, y to the 5th over x to the 5th to the power of 4. And now we can apply the power of power rule. So z to the 4th, we can write that as, okay, we can write this one as z to the 4th to the 4th, y to the 5th to the 4th over x to the 5th to the 4th. So our final answer would be z to the 4 times 4 is 16, and then y to the 20, and then x to the 20. So this is our final answer.